Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw joy and sadness from inside out to together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw sadness eyes first. Draw a curved line, a semicircle, and 3 circles inside it. Now draw the other eye in the same way. Draw the glasses with 2 large circles around each eye and 2 small curved lines between the circles. Draw the eyebrows as I do. Draw a semicircle for the nose and 2 curved lines for the mouth. Now draw the hair with many curved lines and V-shaped lines. Follow me as I'm drawing them. Draw a curved line for the face. Draw some curved lines inside the hair. Draw a large curved line and a smaller one for the sweater color. Then draw wavy lines inside it. Now draw a curved line for the sleeve. Draw the sweater cuff and a small curved line for the sleeve. Draw the hand with a curve, an inverted U-shaped line, a curved line, a horizontal line, 2 curved lines, and a horizontal line. Draw the second hand and sleeve. Then draw 3 small lines inside each hand. Draw the body with a curved line, a small line on the opposite side. Draw the sweater hem with a curved line, an inverted U-shaped line, and 2 curved lines. Draw a diagonal line for the legs, a horizontal line, a diagonal line, a horizontal line, another diagonal line, a horizontal line, and a diagonal line. Draw the feet with a diagonal line, a U-shaped line, and a curve inside it. Draw some curved lines on the sweater hem. Great job! Sadness turned out fantastic! Now let's draw joy! Start with the hairline by drawing many V-shaped lines. Draw the eyes with a curved line and an inverted U-shaped line, a curved line for the eyelid, and a curved line for the eyebrows. Then draw 3 circles inside as I do. Draw a semicircle for the nose. Draw 3 curved lines for the mouth. Draw the face outline with a large U-shaped line. Draw the hair outline, follow me as I'm drawing it. Now draw a U-shaped line for the dress neckline, a diagonal line, and a curved line. Draw a diagonal line for the arm, another diagonal line. Draw the hand. And close the arm with a V-shaped line. Draw a curved line for the dress below the arm, a diagonal line, a wavy line, a diagonal line, and a wavy line. Draw the second arm with a diagonal line, a curved line, a small curved line for the hand, a diagonal line, a curved line, a wavy line, and a diagonal line. Draw the hair tufts with small V-shaped lines. Draw small sunburst shaped lines as decoration for the dress. the first leg with a diagonal line, a curved line, a U-shaped line, and a curved line. Then draw the other leg with a diagonal line and a curved line. Wow! Our drawing turned out great! Now let's get the colors. Use black for the pupils, Joy's eyelashes, Sadness glasses, and the tips of her feet. Use dark blue for the pants. Use blue for the hair, eyes, and eyebrows. The feet, hands, face, hair, and eyes with a lighter blue. Use a very light blue for Sadness sweater. Use yellow for Joy's skin. And color the dress be light green. Wow! Our friends Joy and Sadness turned out amazing! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!